Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find RayBans sunglasses on AliExpress. So whether you are looking for a perfect pair of shades or just browsing for a good deal, I'll guide you through how to find it. So let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. On the browser, navigate to AliExpress website. Once you're in the website, make sure you are already logged in with your accounts. Now here you can see the search bar at the top, tap on it. Now type in RayBans sunglasses. Here you will see a lot of results, so let's narrow it down to find the best deals. Just below the search bar you can see best matches. Tap on it. You will see a drop down list. Now select popular. Now we have a list of the most popular RayBans sunglasses on AliExpress. So take your time to browse through these listings. You can tap on any items to see its details. In the products page, you can see the pictures. You can read through the reviews. You can see the seller's ratings. You can go through these details, and once you are ready, you can tap on this buy now button to purchase this item. So that's it. That's how you can find the RayBans sunglasses on AliExpress using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.